Tiger, elephant, monkey too. Giraffe, the zebra, here with you. Snake, hippo, leopard play. Orangutan swings all day. Chameleon changes every hue. Porcupine has prickles too. Flamingo stands on one long leg. Skunk says phew and badger digs.
Kangaroo jumps up so high. Peacock spreads its feathers wide. Owl says hoot, eagle flies. Bat comes out in nighttime skies. Jungle animals big and small. We love every one of them all. Jungle animals big and small. Clap your hands and sing along.
Butterfly flutters, bumblebee buzzes, ladybug crawls with tiny footsteps, tree frog hops and spider spins. Nature's fun,